Good morning, beauty babes. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a new day, and a new day means a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this gorgeous blue eye look. And if you do want to see this, just keep on watching. But if you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And let's just stop talking because I am feeling myself. So did I hit that? Let's just get into the video. So guys, this is the palette I'm going to be using today. It's super gorgeous and it is from Colourpop Brunch Date palette, and it is a press and powder palette. It is super gorgeous. Now I want pancakes. Because like there's pancake all over it, and this is the inside. So cute. And my hair is making me feel blue, so we're gonna do a blue smoky eye look today. So let's just get started. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush, and this brush is from Brush Master. I don't really know if that's a brand or not. I got it off Amazon. So yeah. So I'm going to use the color Maple Syrup. Yep. It's this light brown. I'm going to use it as a base and put it on. Ooh, pigment. You guys cannot see the pigment in the... Bro, how come y'all don't see the pigment in the camera? That's crazy. It's really pigmented. You see, camera, I lied to y'all because it's super cute in person, and I don't think it looks cute enough on camera. Brunch Club. Let's dig into her. I haven't done a blue eye. I haven't done a blue eye in so long, so I'm super excited. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay y'all, this blue is taking a lot to blend. So if you're like, if you don't know how to blend, don't use this blue. Okay y'all, I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm going to use Sunny Side Up. So gorgeous. Can you guys see this? Okay guys, so I'm gonna go with Champagne Toast. Champagne Toast is so beautiful. It's so stunning. I am in love. Okay, you don't have a lot of fallout. Like, yes. Because I do not like fallout. Just going with French toast and maple syrup together under the eye. I'm gonna use Champagne Toast for my inner corners. Okay y'all, this is it. I'm going to do the other eyes off camera and I'll be right back. Ooh, this blue looks so gorgeous. I'm going to pop on some lashes, and these are from Moon Girl Lashes. So beautiful. I'm just gonna put it on. The lash glue I've been using is this one. I got it off Amazon. It's not bad. It's just like I am feeling this look too much. So gorgeous. They're so beautiful, guys. Like I cannot like too gorgeous. Oh, I feel bad. Okay guys, my face. I'm just gonna fast forward to my face because I don't think y'all want to see me because it's the same routine all over again. Going to use Champagne Toast as a highlighter. It is super stunning. For my lip, I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is the shade Dubai. This is So Juicy from Plumping Gloss from Colourpop Cosmetics, and this is the shade NASA. Okay y'all, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.